everyone, welcome to the grind duo. As you can guys see, my duo is not here. So today is my responsibility to make this video. So today we're talking about scheduling. Honestly, scheduling is a bit hard, especially for beginners, because that's a habit. And habit, in order to build a good habit, in order to build a habit, you need to be consistent at it. So the more you schedule your day, the easier it will get for you. So personally, I use Google Calendar, but you can use Apple Calendar, Notion Calendar, it does not matter. Those apps are here to help you out. So before we even start scheduling your day, I need you to pull up a notes app or something to write down 5 things that are the most important things for you to do in a day. What do I mean by that? Make a to-do list and the 5 most important things for you in a day. For me personally is, first of all, work, gym, journaling, meditation and reading. I try to hit all those 5 things every single day. So after you have all those 5 things, we can start scheduling your day. So basically, pull up your calendar and just start writing. So as soon as I wake up, after I do my morning routine, we're going to talk about that in another time, and bedtime routine as well. Those are pretty important. I'm going to teach you that next time. But first, after I do my morning routine, the second thing I do is sit down and work. After I finish my work, I eat something real quick and then go to the gym. After the gym, I feel kinda lazy, to be honest. So I just take a little break, and after that break, around like maybe I'll take a nap or something or play a video game. When it hits around 5 p.m. or something, I sit down, journal, meditate, and read. Those 3 things at the same time, because honestly, after I finish those 3 things at the same time, I feel so good, honestly, because I know that day was productive as fuck. And honestly, I feel so good, because back in the day I had so many days that were fucking terrible. As soon as I wake up, I started watching fucking TikTok, YouTube shorts, wasted the whole day. It went up so fucking fast. It was like 9 a.m. The second thing was 2 p.m. And bro, I was watching YouTube shorts, and I felt like after 2 shorts, it was like fucking 8 p.m. I didn't even go to the gym, didn't even work, didn't even meditate. And then I had 0 time to do anything. And the next day, I had fucking work. After that, I have a 9 to 5 job. Those days were fucking terrible. So the benefits of scheduling your day is, first of all, organizing your day. Second of all, prioritizing the important things that you have to do. Like we said, the 5 things you have to do. The third thing is the mental thing. You don't think about it that much. What I mean by that, like you have to scream at yourself that you need to work. You need to sit down and work. You have a time booked. When the time hits, you need to sit down and just do the work. So the negatives of scheduling is basically almost none, but it's hard to start this habit, especially at the beginning, because what I did in the beginning was I set out time for me to sit down and work, but what I did is I sat down and I fucking played video games. And bro, what was the point? And the second thing that was hard for me as well is that actually sitting down or laying down, doesn't matter, and pulling up your calendar and start scheduling your day. Sometimes I totally forget. That's why in my bedtime routine I just have like 5 minutes to schedule the next day for me. And basically it helped me out a lot, because if you learn to schedule your day, that means you can time manage. Basically, scheduling your day and time management is almost the same. And also you can use that calendar for everything else. For example, sometimes if you forget your doctor's appointment, you can check your calendar and just set it up real quick. It helps you out a lot. Or another thing, for example, you have a hangout and for example, for me, sometimes I totally forget. So I just go to the calendar and set up going out with friends. And that's about it, guys. Don't forget, the things I'm telling you is for your own good. So do what you want, but honestly, scheduling is a very important skill. Sooner or later, you learn how useful it is. So that's about it, guys. So please like, subscribe, and write down a comment if you want, like what scheduling helped you out or something like that, and you can share it with your friends. I would appreciate that a lot. So guys, don't forget to feel better, be better, and live more. See you guys.